everyone. Welcome to James Marketing Tools channel. Today's clip will guide you, using MKD Care software, to send mass automated message on the Facebook platform. We will send a messenger to our customer, introduce our products or our group page, and we'll send it automatically in bulk. For those who do not know MKD Care software that helps us, and limited management of Facebook accounts, I've got about 226 Facebook accounts here. We're going to use these Facebook accounts, go marketing automation on the Facebook platform, people. To that we can mass texting. Then we'll go into viral marketing, and go to the send message section. And here I'm going to set up some basic configurations, as the number of concurrent threads, as if my machine could run 20 to 30 threads at the same time. However, the demo only runs 12. The next is, how many people will we message per account? Depending on the trust level of the account, we can text about 15 up to 20 people per day. But here I demo. I'll just text 5 to 10 people. Here people imagine an account. We can be a message, 5 to 10 people. Let's say one account's text to 10 people. If you have 100 accounts, I can send bulk message to 1,000 people, in one time and full automatic. The next very important part is that we will paste the UID here. These UIDs are the UIDs of people, which is leads data for my products. I have scanned it here, all the IDs Facebook of my friends. And now I will copy. There are currently 1,600 of my potential customers. And I'll copy here and there and press Ctrl S to save it. And then there's the customer list to text. I have pasted it here. Now I'm going to set up some of these basics. Randomly choose UID or choose in that order. I'll check it here so I don't duplicate UID. Avoid disturbing people and you will save amount of people we are texting. And when we don't text duplicate UID, the software will automatically delete your ID we have texted. Next I will send content. I have a picture so I will check in here. And after I finish texting them, I'll comment on their wall. A content such as, please check my message. So that people can see your message, in case we're not their friends yet. And one last very important setup. I will choose the content. I have given you all the content here. Right? This piece of content, we'll just need to enter it once in the software, and after that we're done. When we need to use it, we just need to choose. There are about 11 pieces of content available for texting. The more content the better. Avoid the fact that we duplicate too much. That leads to spam. And finally, we just need to choose the accounts. Let's just text. It's very fast and convenient, isn't it, people? Right now I have about 70 accounts per account. We can text 5 to 10 people in a message. We can text about 100 of people. And this texting thing is going to be good for us. That we can do. These are our main channels. Recommend this product or invite their about channels. After setup is complete, now I just need to start. The software will automatically run for us. So let's take a look at the software. This is the end of my clip. Bye everyone. See you guys in the next clip. Please subscribe to the channel to get more of the latest videos about the software. Everybody.